Hey guys, this is my first video, so make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like this video. I will do more if you guys like this. If you guys please watch this, is probably going to be very good. I did not copy this from anybody, so enjoy the video and thank you. I don't know what to do today. I'm kind of bored. I know. I'll go call my friend, Mr. Whiskers, and see what he wants to do. Hey, Mr. Whiskers, can you come over to my house?
For what?
Alright, thanks. Alright, hi, Mr. Whiskers. What do you want to do today? Because I'm kind of bored.
Chase mountains?
It's mice, not mouses, stupid. Think about some, like, outside activities.
Camping?
Sure, let's do that. I mean, it's hot outside, good weather for cooking. So yeah, but you better call one of the other friends, just in case, because I don't think two is enough fun, so. Yeah, let's call, I think Mr. Manatee. So yeah, let's call him. Hey, Mr. Manatee. Yeah, you want to come over and, go camping? Okay, you will? Alright, come over to my house. Thanks. Alright, guys, let's go camping. So, first, we need to go find a good camping spot, okay? So, let's go find that. Alright, guys, now all we need to do is find a really good camping spot. Let's look around. I don't know where any wood would be. Wait, guys, do you see that? That's a camping spot over there. Do you see that? Okay, let's go there, come on. Alright guys, we are here. Here's our very own camping spot. So we got 3 tents so we can all sleep in one. We got chairs so we can sit on. We got a cooking fire pit right there. And we got cornhole back there. So, I don't know what we should do first. I don't know.
I want some cornhole.
Cornhole? You guys want to play cornhole?
Cornhole.
Okay, we'll play cornhole. Come on, let's go to the cornhole. Alright, guys, we are at cornhole. I mean, I like this game very much. So now it's just me and Mr. Whiskers are going to play first. And I'm going to go first now. So I got the red bean bags. I am very, very professional at this sport. I played this in college. I guess. Anyways. Alright, here we go. Oh, see, I told you I'm professional. That's 1. Number 2. Alright, here we go. Okay. That didn't move. Okay. I got this one. This one's gonna be my best shot ever. Here we go. Okay, that was fair. Okay, 1 out of 3. You go now, Mr. Whiskers. That was so close. You suck. Nope. Eat my cornhole dust. Let's get these bad boys. Alright. Let's do this. Ooh, that was close. I'll just knock it in. And dang it, that was so close. Alright, let's try this one. That was also close. That I made one, that counts. That was trash. 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 Alright, let's do this. It is 1-1, right? It's 1-1. I don't know. Get up! It's not time for sleeping. Get up. You know, I'll just win. I'll just win. Okay, that I did that on purpose. That was also on purpose. And that was also on purpose. see your sucky shots. Oh, oh no, 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 no. Get that out of here. Nope. Throw it. What are you waiting for? Throw it. And that also sucked. Alright, last round. I'm gonna win this. You have no points though, so get wrecked. 360 no scope, watch this. That was on purpose. Ugh. Oh, swish! Beat that, Mr. Whiskers. And here we go, 3, 2, 1. Mr. Whiskers, what the heck? You spilled water all over it. I guess we can do something else. What do you guys want to do next? Manatee, what do you want to do?
Fire.
No, we can't have a fire yet. It's not even nighttime. Look at that. What do you want to do, Mr. Whiskers, since you ruined the game?
No swinging.
What?
No swinging.
What? Oh, swing?
That's regular swingers.
I guess swinging could be fun. Okay, guys, we are going swinging. So, Mr. Whiskers, you can swing for a minute. Is that fun? Oh, what? You almost fell off. Ow. Oh, let me back up. Jeez. You know, what's the point of swinging anyway? It's like not even fun.
No, right? I was going to say baseball.
Stop swinging from the rope.
Hey, how about we play baseball, Mario?
I
I got the bat. Whack that ball out.
don't know. Well, you suck. Now it's my turn. Alright. Yeah, it's my turn. I'm gonna go swing now. Okay, this is kind of fun. Okay, I'm getting the vibe. It's kind of fun. Kind of. Wee.
He's getting your whole body in it.
Alright. Yeah. Look. See how I was hanging on? No hands. I'm gonna stand up, no hands. Ow. Alright, I'm done swinging. This is not fun. Alright, now Mr. Manatee is gonna swing. Okay, guys, I think we're done swinging. Okay, yeah, we're done swinging. Alright, guys, I think we should start going to sleep. So, let's all get in our tents, and yeah, let's go to sleep. So, I'll see you guys in the morning. Even though it's pretty light outside. I'm in my tent. So let me zip it up.
There's a big puddle of water in mine.
Alright. I think I should go to sleep. I've had a rough day. Especially with my friends. That was fun. But except the swinging part, that was pretty sucky. Oh well. Is it morning? Okay, it's morning. I don't want to go wake my friends up. No, stupid bugs. How do bugs even... I hate bugs. Alright, I'm gonna go wake my friends up. Guys, wake up. Mr. Whiskers. Manatee, what are you doing? Get up. You were like out of your tent almost all night. Come on, Mr. Whiskers. Alright, guys, this was a fun day. I think we should start going home, though. But, yeah, that was a fun day. So, I don't know. Well, guys, should we go home or not?
I think it would be best to go home right now.
Yeah, I think it was, too. Well, let's go home.